Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how you can see your data usage of daily routine. If you have used data in one day, tomorrow, yesterday, you can see it in the app. Here it is in the security app, and you can also check 1 month ago and 2 month ago also. Let's check how you can do so. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to click on security, and here it is data usage. Click on data usage stats, and you can see today it is consumed 0 byte. Click on this, you can see yesterday, today, last month and this month. Up to this you can see the data usage of your mobile phone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos.